y'all, welcome back to All Things with Tip. So I'm Tip, welcome back to my channel if you are returning, and if you're new, welcome. So today I will be doing a review and an unboxing on a wig that I purchased from Amazon. So make sure you all stay tuned. I will see you in just a moment. And remember y'all, if you like this video, make sure you share, like, and make sure you subscribe so that other people can see the video as well. So, came in this Amazon package that we are used to. Just gonna open this. Alright. And this is a Sensational wig that I purchased from Amazon. Should have done this before I turned on the video, but I will put the price below. So this right here is a Swiss lace wig. So it's the Sensational Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig, water lace hairline illusion lace wig, and it's 100% premium fiber. So that means, I believe that it's synthetic, but it looks like you can, it is safe to use. It says safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Curl it just like human hair. So it's a synthetic wig, and this is a style. I don't normally wear long wigs. Usually when I get my long wigs, I'm always cutting it. But I was able to find something that was in a lighter color that I thought maybe I would like. And I hope that it's the color that I ordered. But anyways, let's go ahead and take this out of the packet. So let me just tell you some of the other features. It's a 13 by 6 inch lace, so it's ear to ear with 6 inches deep, hand tied. It's pre-plucked, so it's natural density. It's undetectable, flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hairs along the hairline. Okay. And it's a good for a protective style. And for the maintenance, let's see, gently detangle the hair from the roots to the ends using a paddle brush. Turn the wig inside out and wet the hair with lukewarm water to reduce tangling. You can also shampoo it, and you can also apply conditioner. When you apply conditioner, you want to rinse it with cold water. And then pretty much just like you would do your any other wig. And you can also apply glue or tape to the lace. And this right here says it's I believe the color is Zelena. It's the flamboyant chocolate. Alright, and this is the full picture. Alright. And I will be right back. I'm actually gonna go and run and get my wig cap and put it on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I added some lashes and I got my mirror so I could see. We're gonna go ahead and take this out, and I'm just gonna put it on for now and see how it looks. Feels like synthetic. Alright, don't know if you guys can see, but here are the baby hairs. And this is the color of the wig. I thought I got the lighter wig, but I guess not. Sometimes the pictures are a little bit difficult to see. I probably should have got the 613. Here's the lace. On both sides, and also has one here in the back. And then it has the bands where you can adjust down here. Let's just put it on for now. The scalp looks pretty natural too. Let's see. Okay, I can put it over this way too. This is where I normally wear my part on the left side. Y'all, I think that's cute on me. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut the lace. I'm gonna get me a comb too, and I'm gonna apply it with this. And I might have to get my hot comb and just kind of make this lay down, see what happens with that. But let me do that. So let me get this wig on so that we can do a full review, guys. I think it's so cute on me. I even love the color. I thought I was gonna like the lighter color better, but I think it still looks good because normally when I get the black wigs, they don't look right on me. But this is cute. So let me go ahead and get the wig on fully, and then I'll be right back with you. Okay, guys, look at my mirror too. So I finally made it back, and I am loving this wig. Only thing I don't like about it is it's very tangled, and I'm sure that's because it's synthetic. But to me, it looks very good. It's the easiest wig I've ever applied. You can see the baby hairs. I didn't do anything too spectacular. All I did was use this Wonder Lace Bond on right here by my ear on both sides just to tack it down. And I used some of my hairspray to just do the baby hairs. And I just kind of swooped them in. Got one right there. So nothing too fancy. And then I took some of my Paul Mitchell curl wax and I just laid it like underneath here and just kind of brushed it in to kind of hold this down. But I'm sure if I put a little bit of heat to it, it'll probably hold down a little bit better. But I think it looks great. I really like this wig. I like the color on me. I think it brings out my face. I think it's gonna actually help me give me a new look. I did spray a little bit of my oil onto the ends to try to keep them from tangling up. I know I don't want it to look too greasy because synthetic tends to look fake when you add too much oil. But I think it looks good. I think it looks really well. I definitely recommend this wig. It was the easiest wig application I've ever had because I'm not good at applying wigs. So with it coming with the baby hairs and the natural hairline, that was easy, very, very, very easy for me to install. Only thing is I probably should have put another stocking cap on. So this hard line wouldn't be here, but I can fix that. I'll actually just drag some, it's not too bad, but I'm gonna drag some concealer through here. That way it won't be too noticeable. But I love it, y'all. Like, this is cute. I was feeling down and I put my makeup on. I did my video and I got this hair on. And I am feeling good. Make sure you guys get this wig off of Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description. So ladies, make sure you go grab it. I really love it. I really love it. It was an inexpensive wig and I definitely recommend it for beginners. I love doing hair, but I am not skilled at applying wigs like some of you ladies out there. And if you're not, this is the wig for you. I love it. I love this. It looks so good on me. I'm gonna try to get you some more pictures with me standing up. Here's it to the front. Like, the curls are pretty. It's bouncy. I love the color, everything, guys. So I'm gonna put all the details in the description for all the products that I use. I'm gonna put the link to this cute little wig down at the bottom, and stay to the end so you can see how it looks with me standing up. I'm gonna do some of this for y'all. But anyways, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like my video. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share. I hope you guys are staying safe and blessed out there. Love you guys. I will see you next time. Peace.